So go ahead and answer this simple question. Is Ford stock overvalued? Now, when you look at the chart, the simple answer would be yes, because if it wasn't overvalued, market would be going higher. But instead, there's a couple of market participants who saying the price in Ford is obviously too expensive and I'm not willing to buy it at these levels. So I'm going to wait and let the price in Ford come down before I come in and purchase more of the stock. Look at what happens on earnings. The market in Ford after earnings was released went down 12.25%. Now, we can't say that we didn't know that price in Ford was weak. I've given you all ample amount of time off of our previous price prediction, which goes all the way back here on August the 14th to 15th, that market in Ford was weak. So for us to see the market down to 12.25, okay, cool. Like we was already prepared for that. Next thing that is negative is the fact that Ford is now breaking below $11. We identified that area as support. The market here in Ford. Okay, I don't understand. I really want you all to understand how important this area breakage is. Okay, so I'm zooming out the chart and I want to show you that the buyers into the market in Ford, right, was holding $11. Look at how long they held $11 in Ford. Let's go all the way back here. This is 2021. The buyers in the market in Ford held price at 11. They did not allow the sellers to break price below that. Then we go all the way over to 2022. The buyers did the same thing. They're showing you what they were doing. They bought Ford at that price. The buyers did it again in October 2022. They did it again December 2022. They did it again March 2023. They did it again May 2023. Like, I think you guys can see how strong, how determined those buyers were in Ford. So what do you think it means when price finally breaks that area, which just happened now on earnings? For one, it means that the buyers aren't there no more. They left. So if they're not there buying, then it's telling you already that you should be a buyer neither. It's plain and simple. Second thing is that rather than us continue to trade within the trading channel in Ford to see the market's going to continue to be bullish and go higher, we now know that the market is bearish just because it broke that support area. See, the chart gives you the language. It tells you how you need to dissect what's really going on in the market. So the weakness that we talked about back in August is still there. The situation hasn't changed. The price is still weak in Ford. Don't let no one come in here and deceive you and tell you that, oh, price is trading around $9.96, $10.28. It's a buy because I suppose off of my fundamental analysis and the earnings per share and the EBITDA that the market should run up to around $22. But wait, I want you to hold the stock for the next 25 years and then hopefully it will hit $22. And then I could come back and create another video and tell you I was correct. The chart is telling you right now. The market is telling you already. It's not me telling you this. It's the chart. It's the market. We pay attention to the market. So we're going to look for price in Ford to continue to go lower. Okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction there. And we're going to transpose this line up here to show you the trend in Ford. I might bring it started down here. Okay. So now we know who controls the price. Since those buyers couldn't control it at $11, then we now know sellers are controlling. You only get two sides of the market. You get the buy side and the sell side. And when the market becomes unbalanced, it shows you who's actually controlling the price movement. And so far, we now know it's the sellers. So now I'm zooming out the chart. Price is around $9.96 now. We haven't seen the price in Ford hit this price, $9, $10, since January 2021. We haven't seen that at all. Price has been above this level since that time. Isn't that crazy? That just the time alone should tell you, yeah, This is not a bullish stock anymore. Let's look at Ford on a weekly chart first. Okay, do you see this on the weekly chart? Let's take a look at where price is currently. Do you see that? There has been times going all the way back to 2010 to where the market in Ford did hold up. So will we suspect those buyers back in 2010, 2011, 12 to come back in and prop up the market? Or will we see Ford come all the way down to here? Or will we see Ford come all the way down to here? Got to talk about it. Because when you see this on the weekly chart, there's a lot of weakness here on this chart. Look at this on the wicked bar. Massive spread. We got our indicator weakness triggered. Price closed on the low. And then the volume is massively heavy. We haven't seen this much volume in Ford ever since this weekly price bar of beginning of March 2023. So yes, situation has changed. 2 weeks. We got 5 days and 4 hours left on this current 2 weekly price bar. You guys can already see what it looks like currently. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Ford on the 5 weekly chart, and then on the monthly. 2 days left. If the market in Ford closes on a low like it is right now in the next 2 days, 4 hours, then yes, our prediction will be for the price in Ford to continue to go down. Okay. Can you see where? Like I said, maybe around $9, $8.50 will be our first target. Okay. Second target would be here around $7.50. That's it. See how simple that is? We're done. We didn't go into the books. We didn't talk about fundamental analysis. We didn't talk about EBITDA. None of that. We simply pay attention to what people have done already in regards to their own accounts. Charts don't lie. So first target, $9, 9.66%. Second target around $8.50, which is around 14.39. Third target will be all the way down here towards $7.50. Let's do $7.50, which is around 24.5%. Now that's in the long term, okay? Just like we did in August on our last price prediction, the market was going down and went up, went down, went up. Expect that. Okay, expect that. So as long as the price in Ford doesn't break above 1150, we're going to continue to anticipate that the market has a greater opportunity to continue to go down in price than it does going up. Okay. So that's where we're at right now to the market in Ford. I want everyone else who watches this video to drop a comment below and give us your price targets as to where you suspect the buyers are going to now hit the market in Ford. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.